Okay, this is rugged Ibaba. Man United in Pidgin. I know they speak English again. Me and Man United forever. As Mourinho, they worry, that's what we say they worry. Apart from Pogba, Matic will get injury, Bailey, De Gea, Sanchez, most of our other players. Now either players with their own don't finish, one of the best, I guess more hiccup. Other players with their own, their time don't finish. Or they get serious potential. And right now, man, you need more ready-made striker, defender than potential. When I say potential, the boys will get mad potential. Martial, Rashford, Lingard, they call them matrimony, you know. But we need that person who will support Lukaku for front. Oh yeah, I forget Lukaku. It's already on point, you know. But we don't buy Fred, and I'm happy for Fred. I don't watch some of his mad in games. The guy's speed, the guy passes crazy. So hopefully him will help release our Pogba. When he go front, we do what we do. When he do what I just pray saying we do what he do for World Cup for Man U. And then of course Dalot, our young boy, we wait to see him. And I hope and I pray. I'm not saying we will get shaky start to the season, but it's time they go. Now Man U now, we will always stay there. United for life.